Best deals. All the kitchen racks are made up of strong and durable material offering long-lasting longevity and durability without any hassle of breaking easily after times of use. Storage shelf is removable and can be washed or wiped according to your needs. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Shelf. Made of sturdy, durable aluminum alloy. The widened shelf allows you to keep more things in it prevent from slipping. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Utensil holder. 360 degrees rotation, easy to take in place in 1 second, and gently turn the knife, chopstick spoon, chopping board. The drain pan at the bottom of the tool rest can be disassembled for quick draining and convenient maintenance. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Rolling pin. Comes with both the options of hanging on the wall and standing on the surface to provide protection against rats, lizard. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelves. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Spatula holder. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel construction for durability and longevity, dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. Compact yet spacious, the rack efficiently utilizes countertop space, making it ideal for small kitchens or areas with limited storage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Plate storage stand. Functional and stylish design. Compact shape provides both storage and decoration. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Magnetic spice rack. The installation of the magnetic spice holder is extremely simple. After completion, you only need to place it on the metal surface, and it will stick automatically. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dish drainer rack. Stomax 14 plates, 12 bowls, 3 glasses, and lots of tableware. This dish drying rack holds 16 plates and 18 bowls, stand for 14 cups and can side mount a mug. Hold cutlery and utensils, such as forks, spoons, and knives. Rack features an automatic drainage system, which can drain excess water into the sink automatically. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Spice box. Made of high-quality polypropylene, a food-grade plastic that is durable yet lightweight for easy mounting and cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Under-sink storage organizer. Easy to clean, easy to use and install, safe and durable, creates usable storage space for your home. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Spoon organizer. Made from high-quality stainless steel and rubber wood base which is designed to look attractive and complement other stainless steel kitchen appliances. This stainless steel caddy will last a long time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Water bottle organizer. Easy to assemble with a simple snap-together design, no tools needed. Made from clear plastic. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Countertop organizer. To add some flair to your kitchen, you can display it on the counter as a useful eye-catcher. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kitchen drawer. Constructed by high-grade stainless steel, the basket is durable and rust-free, ensuring shine and longevity. It has a coating of nickel chrome mirror finish helping in resisting daily scratches and avoids leaving fingerprint. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dish drying rack. The two-tiered design of this dish drainer basket for kitchen maximizes storage capacity, allowing you to separate and organize dishes effectively. Plates, bowls, and larger kitchenware can be placed on the bottom layer while the top layer features a unique 6-slot cup holder. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Rolling pin stand. A compact product which can be mounted on the wall and can beautifully hold the chakla and balan. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Plate stand. Plate rack is not only organizer plates, platters, dishes, but also storage bowls, pot lids, cutting board. Perfect for home, restaurant, RV, camper to organizer dinner plates, dishes and bowls. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cabinet organizer. Made from high quality, durable materials to ensure stability and long-lasting performance, even with heavy items. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Bamboo dish drying rack. The folding bowl rack is designed with two levels and the top deck can hold large dishes and the bottom deck can hold smaller dishes. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Utensils basket. A versatile stainless steel drainer basket for kitchen sink drain rack, and a durable kitchen stand for utensils. Effortlessly dry and organize your dishes with this stainless steel dish drainer basket. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Utensil stand. Composed of high-quality stainless steel with moisture-resistant property and resistant to heat. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Plate stand. It can be placed in existing trolleys or tandem baskets of a modular kitchen. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Organizer rack. Space-saving portable easy-to-set-up item. Multipurpose item used in office for files and stationery as well. Water drains quickly from wet items. Built-in water storing tray to keep your countertop dry. Ideal for storing dishes, utensils, and kitchen accessories. Removable tray and simple design for easy maintenance. Compact design to maximize kitchen space. Ensures stability and long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Baskets. It's made of premium grade stainless steel and it is highly durable. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Sink candy. Built from premium stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, rust resistance, and a sleek modern design. The detachable drain tray and stainless steel material make maintenance and cleaning effortless. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Dish drying rack. H-type bracket. Make the shelf more stable and firm to maintain balance. Non-slip suction cups. Suction countertops. Do not shift, do not shake. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Pan countertop rack. Made of heavy-duty iron with a powder coating process finished. It's very firm and elegant. Solid design which is more stable and less likely to fall. Great pot and pan organizer for kitchen. This height and position adjustable pot holders store up to 10 frying pans, saucepans, griddles, or pots of various sizes. It's a perfect solution for storing all the pots and pans, saving you lots of space in the kitchen or in cabinets and countertops. The metal pot organizer is perfect for every pot in your cookware collection, big or small. You can remove the unwanted layers to hold different size pots, pans, baking sheets. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Fruit basket. Perfect for displaying and storing fresh fruits and vegetables in the countertop. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Utensils drainer. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Product link is given in the 29th link.